Hello, y'all. Thanks for stopping by. Today, we will be making Oreo Brownie. Okay. Okay, ingredients. You're gonna use. Would you stop? I'm sorry. You're gonna use the cake-like instructions right here. Did y'all see what he's making? Cake-like on the back, and I'm using 2 boxes. Are you ignoring me? Vanilla frosting, cream cheese, and Oreo cookies. Okay. And this is what the brownie mix should look like once you mix all the ingredients that it calls for on the back of the box for the cake-like brownies. Okay. And then you want to take 4 ounces of your cream cheese, and you want to put it in a bowl. Make sure it is softened. And then you want to put a half of the container of the frosting, and you want to mix that with together. Okay, mix those two together, and you want to set that aside. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to add my crushed Oreos to the brownie mix. Like that. And we're just going to fold it in there like so. Okay, now you want to add the brownie mix to your pan. Like so. And make sure your oven is preheated to 350 degrees. Okay, now that you have it in your pan now, like so, you're going to take your mixture here of your cream cheese and your frosting and just place it like that, like dollops. It ain't got to be perfect, just put it on in there. Sorry about the noise for scraping the bowl, y'all. Sorry about that. Now you want to take you a knife and you want to cut through that, like so, into like the marble. Just cut through it like that. See? Like I say, just make sure you get it down in there. It gotta be perfect. Okay, now you want to place this in your oven for 25 to 30 minutes, or until you can insert a toothpick in the center and it comes out clean. Okay. Okay, and soon after you take it out the oven, you want to put some more Oreos on top. Spread them out if you choose to. Chocolate, if you don't, then nothing. Hey, you like it like that. There's Oreos in here. Okay, y'all. The fan was getting so loud, so I had to do a voiceover for this clip because it was getting on my nerves, so I know it would get on y'all nerves. Okay? Okay, now you want to gently push the cookies into the brownie. Please be careful because it's hot. Remember, we just took it out the oven. After pushing the cookies into the brownie, let it cool for about an hour. Okay, now you're going to take the other half of the container of frosting. Get you a fork, and you just want to drizzle it like this on top. Drizzle the frosting on top like so. And okay, and I forgot to mention that you need to put this in the microwave for about 15 seconds so it'll be able to go on like this, okay? And it don't matter how you put it up here. Whatever kind of design you feel like you want to make, go for it. Okay, this is what I got when I'm finished drizzling the frosting on top. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.